everyone, and welcome to Beauty First in 10. I am unboxing my newest Kate Spade purse today, and I am so excited to show this to you. Kate Spade is one of those brands that I only buy novelty pieces from because they do such a good job with the details and all of the bells and whistles on their novelty items that they're just really well done. So I have so many of these novelty pieces in my collection, and by far and away I have more Kate Spade purses in general in my collection than any other brand. I have the taco truck purse, which is my absolute all-time favorite. I have the crystal tiger, which I love. I have the swan pool float. I also have the carousel, which is just gorgeous. Those are probably my top 4 favorites. Hopefully this new one will join that collection. So this purse is part of the summer 2024 Kate Spade collection. And this is a purse that I did see in person way back in early May. And I like to see all of the novelty items in person. Partly because sometimes they go for cute and novel and not so much functional. So I want to make sure that the zipper opens, that my hand actually fits in and then also comes out, which is not always the case, and that I can actually put items in and I can also retrieve them. So it's really important with the novelty to make sure that it's not just cute, but that it actually will work. And sometimes I like to see the size. So can I actually fit my phone and wallet in, or is this really just going to be a decorative piece? Totally. And by far and away, this purse is the star of this collection in the summer collection. I showed pictures to my husband and he also thought this purse was great and a perfect fit for me. So he often comes with me when I go to Kate Spade, whether it's in the mall or we go to the Kate Spade outlet, and he's great. He'll hold up different novelty items that he thinks that I like. He'll run prices for me. So he knows how much joy it brings me to have these purses in my life, and he is very helpful. So let's dive in. So the purse that we're looking at today obviously is from Kate Spade, and this was actually sold out at Kate Spade online, and so I did find this at Macy's. And this purse, I got a 2-piece of this set. So the first thing that I got was this Playa Ombre small wallet. And this is part of the summer collection as well. And this is just so well done. So I'll show you this here. So kind of slide out the tabs here, and they always do a really good job of keeping these really well protected when they ship. I've never had an issue in all the times I've been ordering from Kate Spade with that. So this is the Playa Ombre wallet, and this just screams summer to me. From the umbrella, and then this cherry, if you can kind of see that, is 3D. And then the zipper is a little palm leaf, and this kind of slides in and out, so you can see that there. And then this is also a snap closure, maybe. So you can see this is the inside, so you've got all these wallets, you've got a clear section, and then I will often put my cash actually in these little holes here on the side, or little pockets here, but you do have the one on the top as well that you can use. So this was just kind of an add-on because I saw it and I was like, well, I'll just get that too, it matches. So and this is going to be the main Kate Spade. So this is going to be the Playa Ombre 3D crossbody bag. So let's dive in and see it in its glory. I haven't seen this since I first saw it way back in May, where I'm doing my contract work for right now. They don't have an actual Kate Spade store in the state of Alabama. Just gonna state that. Just don't know what's happening there. So I had to order this online either way once I had seen it. And oh wow, it's so great. So let's get this off. All right, a lot of padding that went into this one, and that's often the case with these really detailed purses that Kate Spade makes, because there are so many little tiny details that can break off in shipping. They are often heavily padded, and this is no exception to that. So give me a minute to get this out. Okay, so that took a lot of effort to get all of the packing tape that is now everywhere around me, but I got everything off. So this is meant to look like a tiki cocktail. So I'll bring it in close here so you can see you've got kind of your cherry, and these are all made of leather. The whole bag is leather, including the trim and also the bag. And so you've got your umbrella here. You've got your beautiful hibiscus or rose, you've got your palm leaves there, and then we've got our garnishes. So just screams very Mai Tai to me. And this just has a twist lock close here. And then I'll show you the inside. So again, we have our dust bag, which is always nice, and they don't always give this. And you can see though, there's a lot of room in there. There's no specific pockets or protectors. Obviously you have the Kate Spade logo on the inside. So this retails for $498, which is a pretty typical price for most of their kind of detailed novelty pieces. There's just a lot of work that goes into this. I love this rattan kind of look to the cup holder that it's sitting in. This is just so great. This is going to be perfect for summer. So the question is whether or not this wallet fits inside the purse. So let's check that out and make sure that they are a good match. And you can see that fits in there, and it definitely does close. So this purse is just going to be so great for the rest of summer. I just think this is an adorable purse, and it's got this nice chain strap on it as well. And I'll shoot a picture up here of how it hangs on me as far as length and stuff. But this is really happy with this purchase. And I did actually already pick up my newest Kate Spade purse, which is being shipped to me as we speak. And that is part of the fall 2024 collection. So I just thought I would get a jump start on fall while it is 100 degrees and super, super hot here. But so definitely hit subscribe so that you can check out that bag when it arrives too. And if you're still looking for this, it is still available, especially the wallet, in some stores. So check that out, and thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.